Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your English OP class. Dear kids, today we will solve exercise C, book page number 73. Exercise C is read the words and say if it is a good thing or a bad thing to do. Put mark in a box. Example, eating socks. Eating socks is a good habit. If it's a good, then we tick here. If it's a bad habit, then we tick in the box of bad. Reading books. Reading books, it's a good thing or bad? Reading books is a good. Check in the box of good. Good. And it's bad. Kicking flowers. Kicking flowers, good or bad? Kicking flowers is a bad thing. हमें जो है वो flowers को नहीं तोड़ना चाहिए. Drinking milk. Drinking milk, it is a good thing or bad? Yes, it's a good. Drawing in mummy's book. Drawing in mummy's book is a good thing or a bad thing? Drawing in mummy's book is a bad thing to do. Now kids, look here. Here's the king. Here's the king. A king skipping. King जो है वो क्या कर रहा है? Skipping कर रहा है. Trace here. NG. N and G. Skipping. A king skipping. Now kids, it's your turn to complete exercise C from book page number 73. Allah Hafiz.